What comes to your mind when I say the word poem? Twinkle Twinkle or Baba Black Ships? Poem is connected to us at all the stages of life and all to a state of society. The poem is the art and the poet the artist. So today we will talk about the artists that contributed their heart and soul in the making of great India. I am Anushri and you are watching my channel Points to Learn. Here is the part 1 of 12 greatest in Hindi poet. You know, Hindi literature play a major role in Indian literary, so it depending on the periods of production or kals. Hindi literature has been divided into four principal styles: Adi Kal or Veergatha Kal, a period when court poets created couplets in praise of brave warriors; Bhakti Kal, a period in which poetry in praise of God was composed; Riti Kal, Srinagar Kal, a period in which poems celebrated love and beauty; Adhunik Kal, the modern period. The different prominent poets emerged during the different Kals and they all created masterpieces that are lauded by one and all. Some of the greatest Hindi poets belonging to the different eras are Chand Bradai 1148 to 1191. He was an Indian poet who composed Prithvi Raj Raso, an epic poem about life of the Chahamana king Prithviraj. He was one of the greatest poets of Adikal. Language Brij Bhasa. Work. He was the court poet for Prithvi Raj Chauhan. He is recognized as one of the first Hindi poet in India. His creation, Prithvi Raj Raso, the first epic poem in Hindi. Book was available with 1400 stanza. Tulsidas 1543 to 1623. Tulsidas, also known as Goswami Tulsidas, he was Ramanandi Vaishnava sant and poet, renowned for his devotion to the deity Rama. He belongs to the Bhakti Kal. Language Sanskrit or Avdi. Work Author of epic Ramacharitramanas, a retelling of the Sanskrit epic Ramayan in the Avdi dialect in the Hindi. He wrote several popular works in like Gitavali, Dohavali, Hanuman Chalisa, Mangal. Kabir Das 1440 to 1518. He was an Indian mystic poet and sant whose writing influenced Hinduism's Bhakti movement. He was an Indian Muslim, but he was strongly influenced by his teacher, the Hindu Bhakti leader Ramananda. He also belongs to the Bhakti Kal. Language Hindi, Barj, Avdi. Works Kabir's verses are influenced the Hinduism Bhakti movement and is used by Sikhs in the Guru Granth Sahib. His total work are 72. Some of the important and well-known works are Rektas, Kabir Bijak, Anurag Sagar, Kabir Bani, Vasant. Malik Muhammad Jaisi 1477 to 1542. Malik Muhammad Jaisi was an Indian Sufi poet and Peer. He was blind to his one eye. He belongs to the Bhakti Kal. Language Avdi Persian script. Work His most famous work is Padmavat, based on Alauddin Khilji's sledge of Chittor after learning about the beauty of Rani Padmavati of Chittor. Makhan Lal Chaturvedi 1889 to 1968. Pandit Makhan Lal Chaturvedi, also called Pandit Ji, was an Indian poet, writer, playwright, essayist, and also a journalist for New Romanticism movement when India struggled for independence. He was great poet in Ritikal. Language Hindi. Work He noted work are Him Kritini, Yug Charan, Him Tarangini. His noted poem are Renu Logunje, Dhara, Deep Se Deep Jale. Maithili Saran Gupta, 1886 to 1964. He was one of the great he was one of the greatest Hindi poets in India. He was a religious person and most of his writing drew from the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. He was named the Rashtra Kavi by Mahatma Gandhi for his book Bharat Bharti, quoted during the freedom struggle. Language Khari Boli, Hindi. He belonged to the Adhunik Kal. Work. His famous works are Bharat Bharti, Panchvati, Jai Dharta Vad, Urmila, and other which mostly drew from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Thank you. Part 2 of the 12 greatest Indian poet will be published very soon. My favorite poem and poet is given in description and comment box. Please comment your favorite poem and poet that you still cherish. For watching my more videos, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, share.